Michael Lambert here, and yesterday I was hanging out by the waterfalls up in the mountains, and it got me thinking about quantum physics, strangely enough. So, let's get going with this. So, simply put, quantum physics says that all probabilities are possible until observed, which means everything is going on right now until we observe it. And us as humans, we only see in three colors, we have a very limited line of hearing, and even on a molecular level, most things are just, we will never be able to, it'll never be tangible, pretty much. So, the split slit experiment. It's basically with lasers are shot at the wall just randomly at a quantum level, and observed from this, the laser dots go into these clusters. And what this represents, and rest in peace Stephen Hawking, he was a firm believer in this, that represents the multiverse. The outsides of these clusters is where the Mandela effect comes into play. And to be honest with you guys, this is an unfinished thought. But as I was sitting there looking at the waterfalls, thinking about everything, I was thinking about Einstein and how he used to gaze out the window at the clock tower and watch the rays of light go by. He used to imagine that he'd be riding these rays of light as the clock hands would appear to come to a complete stop. And I found myself just gazing out the window, gazing out in nature, doing the same thing pretty much. So, I've been having a lot of weird dreams lately, and my perspective of the universe is the universe itself is God, and us all together, we are a collective consciousness. I don't believe in any form of religion out there. I believe the entire experience itself is God. So, I was out there just thinking about all this stuff, things at a quantum level, things at a macro level, or a cosmic level, pretty much. And it really got me thinking that I've been having a lot of weird dreams, and it got me thinking that would be some form of being able to connect to other realms out there, pretty much. As crazy as it sounds, and I don't necessarily want to call it a spiritual realm, because that sounds too anime to me. So let's just go with the collective consciousness, and being in touch with all that stuff. And unfortunately, it wouldn't be a time machine, it would have to be some form of wormhole machine to tap into any other reality that is out there. But even at a quantum level, it does say that everything happened, everything is going on until we observe it, and what we observe ourselves is our current reality. And like I said, this is a pretty unfinished thought, but I got very deep in thought about it just hanging out there in nature. So I did want to do a little recording about it and expand on this thought in, I guess, the coming years. So anyways, Michael Lambert here. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all soon.